Hey Dan, you're in the vlog. Nice. Hey Dan, say what's up to the vlog. Hey, gotta keep this child friendly, my dude.
Fuck you.
Servicing.
He still works on cars, of course, but he's not been in that role for a while, but he keeps his certifications up. He's awesome.
Oh Dan, guess what kind of car I'm looking at now?
What?
92 Camaro?
That one over there?
No, a different one. This one's all the way out in Indianapolis. Where's my iPhone? Oh, yeah.
iPhone gang.
iPhone gang gang. Dan, iPhone gang gang.
iPhone charger. iPhone charger.
What?
iPhone gang.
Hey Dan,
Deal.
iPhone gang gang.
iPhone gang gang. iPhone.
Gang gang.
Free Wi-Fi.
Bro, they got. Hey, bro. I got free Wi-Fi. Jay.
Fuck the free Wi-Fi. My phone's turned on.
Look at this dude. Yeah, putting up a screen. You hood rat.
Look at that hood rat. Wanna be a hood rat. Fucking Coney dog head ass.
Boy. Just mad because I make more money than you.
I make more than money than you.
Never. We'll compare checks tomorrow. Or do you not get paid tomorrow?
I get paid tomorrow. You get paid every other week?
Yeah. Bi-weekly, my dude.
That guy, so we can get me checked in, get all my info, and we can leave. Whose Camaro is that outside?
That's not a Camaro. What car? Yeah, that's not a Camaro.
That's a Supra, isn't it? No, that's a Firebird. It's either a Camaro or a Firebird.
No. My God.
I don't fucking know what it is. Don't look at me.
We can go look and see what it is.
What is it, Austin?
I don't know. I got pictures of it.
How much I bet?
I bet it isn't a Camaro.
Watch him come back and be like, it was a Camaro. We out here in New Haven, so we're actually gonna go see what this car is. We're trying to figure out what kind of this. It's definitely not a Camaro. This is not a Camaro. Like the front end does not match up whatsoever.
Don't even look like a Camaro.
It's a Boost GT. Dodge Boost GT.
Oh, dude, the license plate says Reaper.
Yeah, I noticed that when I pulled up.
Bruh, this
There's a
thing
lot of
is
work done to
sick.
this car, though. He's got a lot of shit done to this car.
It's got hood pins too. I like the little emblem on the front.
Oh shit, son.
Jay, what do you think of that car?
It's pretty fucking sexy. It's black and red too. Treyway. Moneyway.
Treyway. Is it fucking Treyway?
Fucking Treyway.
Yeah, it's cool. Certain things. Shut your fucking vlog off. I don't want to be in your fucking vlog.
You too want to be in the fucking vlog. You're in the vlog.
Turn the vlog.
What?
I don't care.
Whose tires is this? Is this ours?
Yeah. Isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Is that ours? Okay, that's what I was thinking.
Look at there.
A little noisy out here. Oh shit, it's Cody's. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for the vlog today. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and check in tomorrow for more videos and content.